Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Tuesday, the 10th day of June 2025. The report I got today in three different communities, about 17 terrorists were killed. These terrorists they call herdsmen with AK-47. Now, for some reasons known to me, I'm not going to name the name of these communities, but this is just a message that people will no longer fold their hands and watch invaders invading their communities and just allowing themselves to be killed for nothing. No. The dancing step is changing, and it's changing so fast. A lot of people have been victims for what they don't know about. Their crime is that they were born and brought up from a country where their leaders don't value them, they don't care about them, no security of life and properties. A lot of people have been victims through their relation. Their relations were murdered, were killed, and so on and so forth. But this is a nation where no one talks about the victims of terrorism. The victims of terrorism is something that if a terrorist attack happens in a community, it's supposed to be something punishable to the security operatives that has the jurisdiction over that community. That is how it is being done in developed countries. You must answer for what happened. But in Nigeria, a local government chairman was crying, telling us that the military said they have not received order from Abuja to fight the terrorists who are called bandits. So it's just a message that people will no longer fold their hands and allow themselves to be killed. So if you have hands in all these atrocities going on, I don't care to know, as far as it has to do with human soul, it's something that nobody should tolerate. If you have hands in one way or the other about all this evil going on, remove your hand because it will meet you. People are no longer going to just, attack the terrorists who came into their community. But if you are an informant, know that you might even sleep, you might not wake up the following day. People are no longer smiling. This insecurity is becoming something unbearable in Nigeria, and the politicians can't solve it. I have seen their dancing step. I have seen everything there. There is nothing meaningful coming out from politicians. The key is this: protect yourself, protect your land. And that is one of the most difficult statements people are making. Yes, I understand. It is not easy to defend yourself. It's not easy to defend your land because this is not what you were born to do. You are not, a security agent or vigilante. But situations is making people to go to the extra mile. So I am happy that people are beginning to defend themselves. As I said, the names of this community will remain, unannounced. A lot of people, the news is almost everywhere this evening. You might even see it on Sahara Reporters tomorrow morning, but I doubt because people are now beginning to do things off camera. So that is the information I got and I so disposed. Now, let's look at what is going on in Enugu State. There is another big problem in Enugu State. Now, you see this headline that reads that Enugu herdsmen attack, death toll rises to 4 after new body found. There was a terrorist attack by all these people they call Fulani herdsmen in Enugu State. And previously, it was announced that 3 persons were killed, and later they now discovered another body, making it up to the 4th person. I have a problem with Enugu State Police Command. The problem I have with Enugu State Police Command is that they refuse to be announcing or briefing the public about the terrorist attack being carried out by Fulani terrorists in Enugu State. Don't forget that last week I told you people how the Deputy Commissioner of Police in Enugu State, who is a Fulani man, sued a local government chairman in Ehamufu, who is making sure that his people will be safe after a lot of people have been killed. Another problem I am having is that you'll be hearing the death tolls of civilian innocent people. Nobody will talk. But just kill one terrorist, everybody will be talking. That nonsense must stop. It must stop because people are no longer smiling, no matter whom you are. Be you president, be you anybody. Once you are supporting these terrorists, you will go down with it. This is a war. This is a war. The other day, I was talking with one of my friends in Gambia, and we were discussing about the death toll in Nigeria. We people were saying that, look at Ukraine. Yes, the whole world, they are focusing on Ukraine because of the bombardment of Russia. But what is the death to compare to even Nigeria that don't have accurate data? People don't know what is going on in Nigeria. People are dying every day. Now, let's go through this article to understand what happened in Enugu State again since on Monday. It reads that the death toll in the armed herdsmen attack in Ehamofu, issues on local government area of Enugu State, has risen to 4 after another body was recovered. Sahara reporters has earlier reported that suspected armed herdsmen resumed attacks in Ehamofu, killing at least 3 people in Mbuji Autonomous Community. Following the attack, which occurred on Monday, 1 person was declared missing. According to the community sources, the victims, who were farmers, were attacked on their farms. A community leader, Ogenyi Samuel, had confirmed the incident and later informed Sahara reporters on Tuesday afternoon that another farmer's corpse had been recovered, bringing the tally to 4. He said the victim has been identified as Izuchukwu Uzu. Samuel provided the names of those whose bodies were recovered on Monday as Daniel Ogbodo, Isaiah Odo, and one other person whose father's name is Emmanuel Eze. Samuel lamented that the community members are tired and despondent due to the attacks and killings. And this is what he said. We are tired and despondent. The government only mobilized security agents after every attack to collect corpses. But they don't do anything to prevent the attack or engage the assailants, Samuel told Sahara reporters. Now, out of the article, a policeman called me. He said that was not official call, that he used to watch my video when this issue happened in Ebonyi State. He said he want to advise me that I should not say that police are doing nothing, that the way I talk to the police, that he don't like it. So after, I appreciated his call, but I made him to understand this is what I said and I'm not changing from it, because when that issue happened in Ebonyi State, that time that 33 persons were killed, 30 houses were burned, on Sunday, after the military and police told them that nothing will happen on Sunday, they left, attack started. The attack happened for 6 hours before the police now returned back to carry corpses. The police were guiding the corpses instead of to go after the people who carried out the attack. And I said to him, if I am the president of Nigeria, you all will go to your military or armed forces court. You people will go there because the attitude exhibited there is complicit. It seems that you people, know everything that is going on. So I told him that no, this is the way it should be. That I can't come out to say the police have tried. What do you people? Who are the people who killed 33 persons? And that was where he ended the call. Who were the people who killed them? No arrest was made up till today. And the same thing is happening in Enugu. This community leader is telling us that, after the attack, the police will come and carry the corpses. This is what is going on. So anybody, I know we still have good policemen, we still have good military men. It's not easy. I understand, especially for those of them who are good, who are not terrorists, who are not part of all these shenanigans. May God bless them. I know it's not easy, but we must say the truth. The article continues, but let me stop there because the article is voluminous. It's so long. But the main issue there is that the Enugu State Police Command, they are not reporting the issue of all this terrorist attack that is going on in Enugu State. It's not fair. So even though you people report it officially and you people did not report it, we are taking note of everything that is going on. And at the appropriate time, everybody will pay. Yeah, everybody will pay. Because you people should not think that the Nigerians or people living in Nigeria will continue to be fools. No. They won't continue to be fools. People don't know what is coming. They will continue to be fools. People are already retaliating. And the wave of retaliation that is coming, it is going to cause problem because the military, the police will take sides. Watch what I'm telling you. The military, the police will always take the side of the terrorists. It has been going on right from time. This is not the first time. So if people come to your community, for example, to attack you, once you attack back and kill them, before you know, military will surround the place. But when they were killing you people, military will be not there to be found. So I know military or police, they will take side because the people who are sponsoring all these terrorists, Kocha Pima said, apart from what Benue State Governor said and all these news we have been hearing, that people in National Assembly, people in Aso Rock, I know what I'm saying. Politicians in Nigeria are the one who are sponsoring all these terrorist attacks. And it's not going to end until they achieve their purpose. Every senator, every House of Assembly member in Nigeria who have all these cows in National Assembly, they are part of the terrorists sponsoring it. I said so. They are part of it. They know what they are doing. They know what they are doing. So this is something that is sensitive. People are afraid to talk it, but people who are afraid are still dying. So why should we be keeping quiet and being afraid to say it? People who are afraid are dying. So this is not the time to paint words or to be politically correct because it has started. The time of payback have started. So anybody coming people's community to kill them, to rape their mothers, to do all those things, you will meet your end because people are no longer smiling. Anyway, it is what it is. I believe that Nigeria can never be sustainable. With all these things, with politicians sponsoring security against their people, no country does that. There is a tough time ahead, but I pray we will stay alive to see the tough time.